Here's the truth. You know you need to be using Pinterest to drive consistent traffic to your offers, but as time-poor entrepreneurs and business owners, who has the time for that? Well, I'm glad you're here because in this video, I'm going to show you the one thing that you can do today on Pinterest that will give an instant boost to your account. Hey there, I'm Erica, Pinterest marketing strategist, helping business owners make Pinterest marketing easy to understand with strategies designed to help them see results like what we're talking about today. As business owners in this online space, we wear a lot of hats. You know, give me a like down below if you know what I'm talking about. I have a feeling that you do. We do marketing, we do client acquisition and sales, social media. We also do payroll so that we can get paid and our business employees can get paid. But when it comes time to learning something new and implementing something that we know will drive results into our business, sometimes it gets put off to the back burner. Plus, algorithm changes on all the platforms has us spinning our wheels, creating content that may or may not get seen. And that's where Pinterest comes into play, and that's why I love this platform so much. Pinterest is where your content lasts longer. At 24 to 48 hours, when your engagement is dying over on Instagram, on Pinterest, it's just getting going. Plus, after those 24 to 48 hours, it just continues to grow and compound. So essentially what you're doing on Pinterest today is an investment in your future over time because that engagement continues to compound. But how do we fit it in when we don't have a lot of time? If you've spent any time on Pinterest, you've probably heard about idea pins. Now they are kind of the newest kid on the block when it comes to pin types on Pinterest, and Pinterest has spent a lot of money over the last several months to make sure that idea pins are going to stick around and people are going to use them. So they're not going away anytime soon. Idea pins are similar to Instagram stories, although after 24 hours, they don't disappear. In fact, they stay active and searchable forever, for as long as they're on the platform. Idea pins are designed to teach and inspire, and similar to Reels on Instagram, where you're being rewarded in the algorithm for using them, Pinterest is doing the same thing. So when you're using idea pins, you are going to see impressions, engagements, pin clicks almost instantly. And most definitely within a week of posting that content, you're going to see that engagement and those numbers compound. Using idea pins both personally and for clients has been a total game changer. And unlike these other platforms, you don't have to post them daily. In fact, pinning idea pins or posting idea pins once a week, a couple of times a month, has proven to drive engagement, impressions, and pin clicks on those idea pins significantly. If you're short on time, this is the one thing that you can do on Pinterest today to start seeing results almost instantly. In fact, if you're somebody who does a lot of teaching or stories, or maybe you do a lot of reels on Instagram, you can save even more time by repurposing those as idea pins.
All right, let's take a look at what idea pins really can do for your growth. Now we're inside my analytics, inside of my Pinterest profile, and I have pulled up the dates June 1st of 2022 through December. So this is like a 6-month time span, right? And I wanted to note also that I have selected organic only. So this is purely organic growth, organic impressions and reach over a 6-month time period. Now I went back and looked at my idea pins, and when I started posting them, I posted a handful of idea pins in July. I posted a couple more in August, and then really started posting them consistently in September, a couple in October, and then more in November. Now you can see the steady growth over time. So June, kind of flat. July starts to pick up a little bit. Picks up a little bit more in August, and you can see some real steady growth, peaks and valleys, which is totally normal on Pinterest in September. Kind of a dip in October, but then it trends back up in November into December, and then kind of tanks off at the end of December. But that's normal on Pinterest because people are spending time with their family over holidays. They're not necessarily on a platform doing a lot of searching. So this is telling me that when I started posting these idea pins in July, the growth continued. There's a steady trend upward, which means the growth of those idea pins is compounding over time. Because they're evergreen and they don't go away, people are still searching for them. They're still showing up in search results, and the numbers only continue to grow over the 6-month time frame. And if you go look at my page, you'll see that these are just repurposed reels from Instagram. Like there's no need to recreate the wheel here. I tested a few different ones out where I had some actual pins with text. I wanted to see how they did. And you can see the views on these. I mean, some of them have done really, really well over time. And again, they just continue to grow. So if you are looking for a fast way to see growth and reach on Pinterest, Idea Pins are where it's at right now.
So as you can see, in just 1 month of using Idea Pins semi-regularly, really, my account grew in impressions, engagements, and total views. Now, if you have questions about Idea Pins, or if you would like to see a future training on them, maybe you want to know how to post them from your mobile phone versus posting them on the Pinterest platform on your computer, let me know down in the comments below, and I would love to create that for you. And if you like this video and you want to see more actionable Pinterest strategies to help make your Pinterest marketing easy, hit that subscribe button down below. I will see you next time with more tips to make Pinterest marketing easy.